Alright guys, so this video is going to be a different video. It's going to be a story time video. I've never done one of these before on my channel. Let me guys know if you like these kind of videos or not. But this video is going to be the time, one of the many times that he was basically cheating all along, and I was the side girl, or in Jamaica we call it matey. So I was the matey and his wife basically come catch me. Oh, so I was the side chick and his wife caught us basically. So I was in high school, and I won't say his name, but let's say Greg, right? So Greg and I were together, and he was one who approached me, and he must say no, him like me, and you know, I'm cute, and I was like, oh, me, thanks, boo-boo. So yeah, so you know, he wasn't really the guy that I would go for, because how he looked wasn't really what I went for, but what caught me was just how he treated me, and he made me laugh. Back then, if you could make me laugh, maybe. So yeah, so we're together for not a long time, probably 2 months or so. And I remember he would wait on me whenever I had drama underneath like the guidance counselor shade. By the way, I went to Bridgeport High School, big up Bridget. And yeah, so he'd wait on me underneath the guidance counselor shade, and we would walk not home, but he would walk me to the bus stop. And yeah, so one time we were walking around school, and we were around school, and we were holding hands, and a girl was walking towards us, and then him let off my hand, but it was really smooth. He didn't go like, you know, he was more just kind of ease off his hand, and then go to the girl and hug her up. And no, I lie, we were walking around, coming around, and then I think he glimpsed her, but he released my hand, and then she came around the corner thingy, and as he saw her, him just hold my head and kissed me on my head, and then just walked off with the girl. So I'm there, I'm like, what? Are we serious right now? I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. I don't know what that was. He just kissed me on my forehead, like in my hair, not my forehead, in my hair, on the top of my head. He kissed me on the top, because my hair was in one. He kissed me on the top of my head, and then he just walked off. And I was just like, what is that supposed to mean? So now when I saw him, I was like, yo Greg, what was that about? And then he was like, oh no man, I know just pass one of my friends, and whatever time just said I hail her, but you know, we can go home now, we can walk to the bus stop or whatever. And then I was like thinking, I was like, Simone, that was not some girl, that was his girlfriend, that was a legit girlfriend. So I don't remember who broke it off, if I broke it off, if he broke it off, I don't remember, but I know I just didn't want to be with him anymore. And his last name is Shirley, and since that day I don't eat Shirley biscuit. It's this thing, and it's stupid, I know it's stupid, but there's a biscuit out here called the Shirley biscuit. But since I found out what he did to me, I just didn't eat Shirley biscuit. So the girl he met was his girlfriend slash, in Jamaica we call them wifey, like, you know, wifey. So his girlfriend was his wifey, and I was the matey slash side chick. How do I know this? Because like wifey have preference. So if you're matey I walk, I say wifey, boom, well, let's go to wifey, you know. So yeah, so I don't know, that's all. That's basically it. I don't know if you guys like these story time videos. If you do, let me know, and I'll definitely be filming more. I'm going to be filming a couple today, so if you guys like these story time videos, I can definitely post them up periodically. So yeah.